Okay, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon Sai, Bhagavan Sai, and remaining other all students. Very good afternoon
Good
everyone.
afternoon.
Okay, shall we start our discussion or else can wait for 2 to 3 minutes? So, can anyone summarize the unit one?
So please go and bring one paper and pen. I'll give you 1 minute. Please carry paper and pen with you. Yeah. Okay. So can you hear me, right? Yes.
Anyone? Hello, Bharat. Bharat Ram.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Will you summarize our unit one, STLD unit one?
No,
Why?
mail రాలేదు సార్.
I'm not getting your words. Hello.
హలో
Yeah, tell me.
సార్ మెయిల్కి రాలేదు.
Mail in the sense.
నో
What I'm asking you? Krupa? Who is that Krupa? Suresh? Can anyone tell me briefly what we have discussed so far in Unit 1?
Sir, we discussed about the number system, sir, types of
Yeah,
number
good,
system.
Monica. Tell me. And then?
Next, how to convert binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Conversions, sir. How to convert binary to decimal and all, sir. Later,
Okay.
we went to arithmetic sums, sir. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and later we went to BCD number system, sir. Another number system after gates, sir, and these gates, and later theorems, sir.
BCD.
Yeah, sir. Yesterday and day before yesterday we discussed about
Boolean algebra,
gray
error finding codes,
binary to gray.
Suchitra,
gray code,
instead of posting there in our chat box,
logical
you can speak out, Suchitra.
logical operators.
Yeah, very good. Who is that one? Logical operators.
Venkatesh sir.
Venkatesh.
Three number system, sir.
Okay, Jachitra.
Yeah, sir, that one. Sum of products. How to convert SOP to SSOP.
SOP POS form, sir.
Yes, sir, SOP, that one.
Error detecting codes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what we are discussing now is simplification of Boolean algebra. Hello. So we have seen some how to simplify the Boolean algebra. So after, what is the main advantage of simplifying? Can anyone tell me?
Yeah, sir. Number of gates required is
Yeah,
less.
very good, Monica. So by simplifying logical operation, so what is the main advantage is number of gates used in that particular logic is going to be reduced. So if number of gates are reduced, what is happening? Power consumption also will reduce. So system cost also will get reduced, and performance speed of operations also will get increased. See, if the same, in order to perform same logic, if we are using 5 gates, so each gate is having some to respond, it will take some amount of time. So if you are using 3 gates only, so 3 gates will respond very fastly. Time will take more time while passing through all 5 gates. But if you are reduced to 3 gates, so signal will pass very fastly within the 3 gates, and it will produces the output. So all these are the main advantages of simplification of logic gates. So as number of variables will get increased, so what we have seen up to now, the simplifications are based on some Boolean theorems. So that is going to be will become difficult when the number of inputs or number of variables or number of literals is going to be increased. Then simplification will become little bit tough. So whereas if number of number of literals or inputs, input terminals are 4, then how many so how many minterms are there? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 in the sense 16 minterms will be there. So minimizing 16 minterms is going to be become little bit difficult. So if input terminals are high, so simplifying is also become difficult. So in order to avoid that one, we are going to use one simple method, that is nothing but corner maps. In short notation, it is can be called as K maps. Clear all of you? So K map is used for the simplification of Boolean algebra without using some Boolean formulas. Clear all of you?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here this is the basic corner map for 2 inputs. So we can have 2 inputs, so A and B, so will be arranged like this. So yeah, in first, so what is the range of A may be 0 or maybe 1. Clear all of you? So this is the K map. I think is everyone getting my screen?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
if you see here that this is the K map with 2 variables. Okay. So 2 variables in the sense K map simply will contain square boxes. So if you are having 2 variables, so how many minterms will be there? For 2 variables, how many minterms and how many max terms will be there? Monica.
3.
For 2 variable for 2 variables, how many minterms and max terms will be there? No one remembering. This is the basic question. So many times we have discussed in the last session.
3, sir.
4, sir.
4.
3, how 3?
4, sir. 4 are it.
What is max term and what is min term? Min term is a product term which is located in sum of product terms. Max term is a sum term which is presented in product of sum terms. If three inputs are there or else three literals are there, so how many min terms will exist? 2 power 3. If only we are having two literals, then how many min terms will exist? 2 power 2. That is in the sense 4 min terms will be there. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See here, for AND gate also we can represent min term form. Now, can you write, hello? Can you write min10 for AND gate? So how many inputs are there for AND gate?
2.
2. So what are the min terms available for AND gate? So let it be let it be, say it is y. So actually 2 in the sense 2 power 2, how many min terms are there? If
4.
2 inputs are there, so how many min terms will be there? 4 min terms will be there. So what are that min terms? A bar, B bar. So first one is nothing but A bar, B bar. This is M naught. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
A bar, B bar is nothing but M naught. Next one is A bar, B is nothing but M1. A bar, B, M1.
AB bar.
Next one is A, B bar.
AB.
M2.
A, B bar. This is M2.
AB equal to
AB. 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 This is M3. So now tell me, in which so for AND gate, which value, which min term is suitable out of these 4 min terms? For AND gate, which min term is suitable? AND operation, which by using which term we are going to represent?
AB, sir.
AB. So here y equals to, we can write it as AB always.
Yes, sir. 1.
Yeah. So it is going to be true for only when A equals to 1 and B equals to 1. In all remaining cases, zeros. Similarly, like the way A plus B, y equals to A plus B for OR gate. Okay. So this AB, same AB we can write using corner maps. Okay. So corner map in the sense, similarly based on the min terms, corner cells also presented. So for 2 variables, so how many corner map will contain how many cells in the sense how many min terms will be there for 2 variables, that much of cells also will contain in corner map. That is, see, here 2 input variables are there. In corner maps also 2 power 2, 4 cells will be there. So that 4 cells will be given like this. This is what to get. Why this is to get, is to get the simplified representation of Boolean algebra. So here these 4 boxes are represented to A, and A is having 2 combinations. What are they? Either A may be 0 and A may be 1. So these 2 are for A, and similarly we are having another input terminal B. So what are the values of B? Either it may be 0 or it may be 1. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here what we need to do is, we need to represent now min terms. Min terms are input combinations. So what are the input combinations? In first combination, what is that combination? 0 0. So 0 0, what is its value? And this is similar to the M naught. Its value equals to 0, and this is similar to the M naught. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this cell can be represented as M naught cell, and its value is going to be 0. So either B is 0, A is 0. So its value is going to be 0. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, what is
0 1.
0 1? So 0 1, what is its value?
0.
0 1 value is 0 1 value is
0, sir.
0 1 value. What is 0 1 in the sense, what is its value? 0 0 is 0. 0 1 is
AND gate, sir, that one.
I am not asking about AND gate. 0 1, it is a binary number. What is its value?
Zero
A
one
is 0, A is 0, B is 1. 0, 1. What is its value? 0, 0 in the sense 0. 0, 1 in the sense
one
1. That
one.
is what I am asking here.
Okay, sir. One.
Yeah, 1. This is similar to, this combination is similar to the 1. 0, 1 combination is similar to the 1. And which is also equal to, that 1 is also equal to which minter? That is M1 minter. That is A
M1.
bar B. Yeah, A bar B. So here, this let it be, this is A and this is B. Okay. Now what is second combination? A is 0 and B is 1. So this shall be the A is 0. This cell is indicating A is 0 and B is 1. And what is its value? 0, 1 in the sense, what is its value? 0, 1 in the sense, its value is 1. Why Monica always use it to say 0, 0, 0? 0, 1 is 1, not 0. Again in next combination, another combination is 1, 0. 1, 0 in the
1,
sense,
sir.
actually its value is 2.
Yes.
1, 0 in the sense, its value is 2. So, and min term is equals to M2. So, in here which cell is indicating 1, 0, that is in the sense A is 1, B is 0. And this cell could be the 1, this is second.
Two.
So, its cell value is going to be, 2. And in final combination, what is A is 1 and B is 1. So this cell is indicating A is 1 and B is 1. So what is its value? 3.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Like the way we need to represent. Hello. ఇచ్చాను రికార్డ్ పెట్టేశాను క్లోజ్ చేసి నేను సెకండ్ సెషన్లో క్లాస్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను 1లో క్లాసా పిపిటి అవ్వడం ఏంటి ఒకసారి అడిగే ముందు నా టైం టేబుల్ కూడా చూడు See here, now tell me, where if this is the AND gate, so this K map is for AND gate, so let it be Y. Now we can tell me in 0, 0 combination, so we need to, so each cell is filled with 1. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
For if output for that particular combination is, if output is 1, that corresponding cell we need to fill by 1. Clear all of you? See here, in first cell what is the combination? 0, 0 combination. In second cell what is the combination?
0, 1.
Yeah, 0. In second cell 0, 1 here 0, 1 combination, here 1, 0 combination, here 1, 1 combination. For all these combinations output is going to be 1. We need to check for which combination it is going to be produced active high output. In that cell we need to produce 1. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here 4 minterms are there. Out of minterms, at which output is going to be 1? Either here, no, it is 0. In second combination it is 0. So we need to represent here 0. So no problem. Placing 0 or not 0, not a problem. But in these 3 combinations we are going to get 0 combination. So in the final combination we are going to get 1.
1.
Yes, sir.
So there we need to fill 1. So here we are going to fill it with 1. Clear all of you?
Sir,
So this is the final. Hello? Yeah, tell me. Why?
why we are doing this? We know.
Why we are doing this is for that combination only output is going to be produced.
Yeah,
This
sir.
this cell is going to be produced which combination? A is 1, B is 1.
Sir, we
Okay.
know.
For that only output is 1. Remaining all combinations output is 0. So here 0, here 0, here 0. This K map is for which one? AND gate. So clearly y equals to, we can write it as, we can check which combination is 1. So here in this combination, what is min10? In this combination, what is min10? M3. M3 in the sense AB.
Yes, sir. Maybe.
AB. You can cross check through cells also. Here in this combination, if you consider what is B value,
1.
1. In this entire column, B value is always 1. Okay. See here. In this row, A value is always, in this, here also A is 1. Here also A is 1. So entire combination A is 1. That is the reason we are taking it as A. In this combination, here also B is 1. Here also B is 1. But here no axis of high output. But here output is there. So that is the reason we are placing 1. So after rounding this one, so this rounded signal is nothing but AB. So clearly output y equals to, y can be written as, now from this what we got, A equals to AB. If this bit is only activated, that is in the sense, with that bit which term is going to be made? AB. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you take another logic function, okay, so that logic function is nothing but for example, if you take y is also here it is 1, and here also it is 1. Clear all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now here what is m1? M1 in the sense which bit?
M1, 0.
M1 01 in the sense this is 01. So here also we can place 1. Clear? Hello? For which combination output is going to be 1, there we need to, in that particular cell we need to produce 1. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After by combining these two, what we are getting is, you can observe clearly here what we are getting in these two cell. What is the value of B?
1, 1.
Wait. See here, once you can see here. So this is the K map with the help of max terms, and this is the values, and this is the K map with min terms, using two variables. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can change the positions of A is also. We can place A is here, or we can place B is here. So no problem with that changing position of AB values. So that is not a problem. If you see first cell, if it is a max term, so first term in max term, in order to represent 0, we can take it as A. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
So max term is clearly some term. So in this first cell, it is representing A plus B. In its second term, it is representing A bar plus B, and here also it is representing, in third term is representing A is 1 and B is bar. Sorry, A is 0 and B is 1. So B is 1 in the sense B bar. B bar is equals to 1. Clear all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here, same based on the AB values. AB values in the sense that is A0, B0, that is representing 0, 0. Again, A is 1, B is 0, that is 1, 0. Again, here A is 1, B is A is 0, B is 1, that is 0, 1. Here both are ones, 1, 1. Clear all of you?
Yeah, sir.
So this is the this is how we can construct a corner map using two variables. So now we can see with help of three variables how we are going to construct a corner map.
Okay, sir.
So this is the three variable K map. See here all terms are represented with help of minterm. See, we can use minterm or maxterm, no problem. But we should remember the process. For minterm, bar is 0. Bar is representing always 0. For maxterm, bar is always representing 1. So that is the thing we need to remember. So here three variable K map is represented with help of three variables. Three variables in the sense how many cells will be there in K map?
8, sir.
8, 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 8. And one more thing we need to represent while constructing cells of each and every K map, each cell should satisfy adjacent property. Okay, what is called adjacent property in the sense each cell is differed by 1 bit only, not 2 bits. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See here, if you observe clearly, so here C is there. So what is the how many combinations? What are the available? Sorry, what are the number of combinations for C? C may be 0 or C may be 1. These two are the possible values for C that we can assign for C. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
So that is the reason this entire row is containing C equals to 0. In next row it is containing C equals to 1. So here see, observe here in entire equations it is C bar is there. Here also in second term is also C bar is there. Here C bar is there. Here C bar is there. That is in the sense entire this row is indicating C0. In second row it is always C is there only. C. That is equals to, this is always indicating C equals to 1. Clear all of you? Hello?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Again coming to the columns. If you see column AB, what are the possibles of AB? What are the possible values of AB? Both are zeros. That is in the sense 0, 0. Or one may be 0, one may be 1. Or another may be 0. That is another combination is 0, 1. Another combination is 1, 0. Another combination is 1, 1. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But here if you observe, 0 is nothing but 0. 0, 1 is nothing but 1. After that, which combination needs to come? 1, 0 combination has to place here, not 1, 1. Clear all of you? Here should be, it is, I think, how many of you observed this one? How many of you observed this mistake? Sir, first combination should be 0, 0. Next combination should be 1, 0. After that, 1, 0, 2 will come. 2 is nothing but, after 0, 1, obviously, 1, 0 should come. 1, 0 is nothing but 2. And finally, we should come 1, 1. So that is the process how we need to change the combinations of AB. That is the correct thing. Clear all of you?
Okay, sir.
But here, while constructing K maps, we need to represent adjacent property. What is that adjacent property in the sense? If you see how many values are changing from 0, 0 to 1, 0, how many positions are changing? In LSB, if you compare 0, 0 and 1, 0, how many values are differ? How many positions are differ?
1, sir.
Very good. Only one position is differ. So if you compare 0, 1 and 1, 0, how many positions are differ?
1, sir.
Only one. How? We should not see values. We don't see values. We can compare with places. How many places are differ? Yeah,
Sir.
I will use whiteboard. You can tell that.
Okay, sir.
You can easily identify. See here, this is, we chosen this is for 0. Sorry, this is for 0. Sorry, C. So what are the values of C? That may be 1. C may be 0 or C may be 1. So first row it is indicating C 0 and next one is C is 1. And this is columns are given with AB. So here, what is the combinations of AB? Generally, we treating first combination is 0 0. Next combination is 0 1.
Yes.
Next combination is 1 0. Next combination is 1 0. Final combination is 1 1. But while constructing K-maps, every cell should satisfy adjacent property. This is the way how we need to take combinations. But this is wrong combination. So here these two places needs to change. 1 1 should be placed here and 1 0 should be placed there. Clear all of you? Why? Because everyone can observe carefully. So if you take these two values, adjacent property in the sense these two cells are adjacent. So this is one adjacency, and this is also another combination of adjacency, and this is also another combination of adjacency. Clear all of you? Now we can observe. Clear? What are the adjacent cells here? These two are adjacent cells. Well, if you take care here C is 0, C is 1. So only one position is changing. Here it is 0, here it is 1. So no problem. If you take A, B values. So A, B values are nothing but A is 0 and B is 0, 1. These two are adjacent cells. Clear all of you? Adjacent cells, side by side cells. These two are only side by side cells. Clear all of you? Hello? Hello everyone. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Then why you people are not responding? I think these two are while coming with C, entire value only single position, single bit is going to be varied. That is called adjacent property. If you compare side by side cells, entire in its value only single bit is going to be changes. No problem with the places. Only single bit can vary. See here, coming to the C values, these two could be the adjacent cells. Here in this, if you see in this combination, C is 0 and here it is 1. So single position is changing, no problem. But coming to the AB combination, here it is 0 0. So these two are adjacent, and again these two are adjacent cells, and again these two are adjacent cells. Every adjacent cell should change only single position only in its combination. Single position in the sense, if you see, already we have seen in gray code. What is there happening? In each gray code only single position is going to be changes. That is called unit distance code. If you compare 0 and 1, only one position is changing, and 1 and 2, one position is changing. 2 and 3, one position is changing. Like the way here also we need to use. Now tell me, what is the first cell of AB?
Sir, actually your video lagging, sir.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir, I'm seeing that your video and audio are not matching, sir. After that one, you are saying that these two, which those, and I can't able to see, sir.
What about remaining? What about remaining students? Remaining all are not attending my classes, I think so.
No, sir, we are attending.
Yeah, tell me what is happening there. If you are facing any problems, he raised one problem. I don't want to see in chat box. Everyone should speak out. Then only I can realize. Tell me, Mahi.
Sir, tell sir.
Is everyone able to get my screen?
Yes, sir, I am getting, sir.
Now tell me. Now tell me. For three variable
No,
map, how many? Hello.
We are not
Sir,
getting the screen.
sir, only your just how many members and that much only I was seeing, sir. And now, sir.
No, sir, I'm getting, but for me it was lagging.
Sir, getting sir, screen is okay.
It was okay, sir.
Okay, now tell me. This is the three variable K-map, okay? Hello?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So what is the C values here? What could be the C ranges?
0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1.
C. Just select C value.
0 and 1.
0 and 1. Okay. So in 0, I gave it in its first position, and second position I gave 1. Okay.
Yes.
So in view of C, these two are adjacent. Clear, all of you? What are the adjacent cells? What I am marking here, this one and this one are adjacent cells while comparing with C. Okay.
Yes, sir, that one lagging, sir. Which one?
Sir, are you moving the mouse pointer, sir? Yes, sir, now.
I'm placing tick mark there.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
lagging, sir. Screen is lagging.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay.
It's not coming.
So
when you were speaking, it was not coming. After you tell that one, it was coming like speak.
Yeah, yes, I am writing here. It will take so much of lagging that we need to that you should need to adjust. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So here C is 0 and in next cell C is 1. So how many positions are changing here? Only one changes occurred. C is 0 in first cell, next cell is C is 1. So no problem. If you are taking C value, if you are taking value of cells, only single position is going to be changes. So now coming to that is what C. Now coming to the values of AB. So what is the values of AB? First is it is going to be 0, 0. Clear?
I get
So next combination may be 1, 0. Okay. Next combination may be, what is next combination? After 1, 0, 0, 1 will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But here we are not taking 0, 1. Instead of 0, 1, we are taking 1, 1. That is the correct thing. Clear, all of you? So what I am showing at the starting at the PPT, it is correct. Okay. To make you identify, to have better remember. So that is the reason I am specifying there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that is the thing you need to remember for every time. So now finally we need to take 1, 0. So why we are taking like this only, but actual combination is this one. That is in the sense 1, 0 needs to come.
1, 0,
but
1,
why we
1.
are taking 1, 1? So that is in the sense only can be adjacent property. What is called adjacent property? Adjacent property is nothing but unit distance property. That is also nothing but in every combination or entire in its value, single bit is going to be changes.
Yes, sir.
Single position only changes. See here in its first position, if you take these two combinations, so these two are adjacent cells. So that is in the sense these two are adjacent cells. If you are taking 0, 0 and 1, 0, that is satisfying unit distance property. That is nothing but adjacent cell property. So how it is satisfying? See here in its first position it is 0, but here it is 1. So how many changes occur? one change is occurred. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, in other position both are zero, so one change. So in adjacent property in all positions only one change should be
One
occurred.
change.
If two changes
Yes.
occur, that is not called adjacent property, adjacent cells. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason if you take 1 0 here, what is happening in this combination? So here, clear all of you. So if you are taking 1 0 here, so we compare 0 1 and 1 0. So see here again. So if you consider these two values are taking, that is in the sense in first position here it is 1, and in its in next position it is 0. So how many changes occurred while comparing with first LSB position? One change is occurred. Is it clear all of you?
Yeah, sir.
Now we came to second position. Second position, it is here 1, here 0, here it is 1. So here also second change occurred, but it is not accepted in adjacent property. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Two changes occurred, so it is not acceptable. So that is the reason, instead of that, what we are doing here is, so here we are taking 1 1 instead of 1 0. First we are taking 1 1. Now compare adjacent property, that is in the sense compare these two values. One is there, in its also one is there, so no change. Clear all of you? In its first position, here it is first position, here it is first position. 1 1, no change. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again second position, 0 1, 0 1, one change. So one change is acceptable.
Yes, sir.
Two changes are not acceptable. Again compare two adjacent properties, 1 1 and 1 0. 1 0 in its first position, here it is 0, here it is 1. So one change is occurred. Clear? So in second position compare. If you compare two positions, both are ones. Both are ones and ones in the sense, both are ones in the sense, no change. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I need to take confirmation from all remaining all students also. Is that clear all of you? Why we are taking this one only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to make the adjacent property, that is in the sense every location, every cell or every minterm in K-map should varied by single position only. Okay, so here A is 0, B is 0 and C is 0. So triple 0. So triple 0 in the sense, what is its value?
0.
0. Now tell me ABC. If you take ABC, that could be to the minterm. Clear all of you? ABC. In second position, what is the 0 1, and what is the C value? C value again, C value is again 0. So that is in the sense, what is its value?
4, sir.
4 1 0. చిన్నప్పుడు తెలుగులో ఒక సామెత ఉంటుందమ్మా, చిన్నప్పుడు కాకరగానే కొంచెం పెద్దదిగా కన్నా అది 1 0 1 0. What is the value of 1 0?
2, sir.
Yeah, 2. So sorry. Here B is 0. B is also 0. No, this is 2. So here what is its value? 2. Now see here 0 0. What is C value here? This cell we can see its value. AB 0 and C is 1. So that is in the sense, what is the minterm? AB 0. Here also B 0 and C is 1. So this is going to be
M1.
Yeah, M1 in the sense 1. In next cell, what is A value, B value? A is 1, B is 1 and C is 0.
And 3. 1 1.
Yeah, it is
1 3, sir. Sir, AB 1 1 and C also 1, sir.
wait. See here, what we are missing here. We need to place C here. First we need to take C here. Then we need to take min-terms. In ABC combinations, it does not mean in any way we can take values. AB equals to BC. So here we need to moving from here to here. Okay, here to here, or else in simply or else we can take in place of C, we can take it A, no problem. Just notation is differ. For our convenience only, here I am taking A, so then you will get exact values A. And what is here? It could be BC, no problem. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here it could be BC. Then now we will get exact values. So we can take it as ABC. So here so this order should be saved. Here if you are taking here C, then CAB we need to take to make min term. Clear all of you? Okay. If you separate, if you are taking here, if you are taking here it is C, then we need to take min term as CAB. But instead of we are taking here A, and this above two terms are BC, so directly we can take min term as ABC. That is our convenient method. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me. Now we are going to get exact values.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In first combination here it is 0 and BC are 0. So as usual here we can take ABC. So that order should be very important. If you are placing C there, then we need to take C AB. Now A is 0
0, sir.
and B is 0. It is as usual 0. Now tell me.
1, sir. 0, 0, 1, 1.
Yeah, 0. A is 0. B is 0. C is 1. So in second position we got 1. Clear? Now tell me, here in this A is 0 and BC 1 1. 1 1 in the sense, what is the value here? A is 0 and B is 1, C is 1. So
3, sir.
after one actually 2 should come. But to satisfy the adjacent property, which term is coming? That is the thing we need to remember. 3 is coming. So in first location M0 came, after that M1 came, but here M2 should come. But in order to satisfy the adjacent property, instead of min term M2, M3 min term will come. So after that, now we can see A is 0, here A is 0 and BC 1 0. That is in the sense A is 0. Yeah, very good, very good. Now we are getting. Now I am seeing what is actual Monica. Okay, 2. Now tell me here A is became 1.
0, 0, 4, sir.
Yeah, this is 4. Very good. This is 4 in the sense M4 1 0 0. So here A is 1 and BC are zeros. So 4 is came. So again 1 0 1 1 0 1 in the sense 5. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Again A is 1. So triple 1. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. That is in the sense actually 6 needs to come. But instead of 6, what we got? 7 we got. So obviously final cell is 6. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way how cells can be intersected. Cells can be placed in corner map. This is for 3 variables. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we do one problem based on 3 variables?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone take pen and paper and write. Try to write what I am doing here. Three variable K-map. Three variable in the sense how many variables are there?
3.
A,
C.
B,
C.
C. And what is the output? Output represented with help of 1. Okay. So what is first combination? 0, 0. So let it be 0, 0 here. Again
0, 1.
0, 1.
1.
1.
So we can take 1. So I am skipping all combinations. So here onwards I am taking what is the value of y. Y is going to be 1. So we can consider in all remaining combinations it is going to be y is 0. Okay. For time to save out time and space, I am doing like that.
Yes, sir.
So in all remaining combinations, y is going to be 0. So from this we can write what is y. Y combination is already we know clearly how to write y equation. Can we write y equals to in terms of min terms? Y equals to first is a bar,
A bar, B bar, C bar.
a bar, b bar,
C.
c. A bar, b bar, c plus a,
B bar,
b bar, c.
A B bar.
In remaining min terms we don't need. Why? Because in all remaining min terms it is going to be 0. Y is going to be 0. So no need to consider that min terms. Again it is a b,
C bar.
a b, c bar. A b, c bar. Can you simplify this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which terms we need to simplify? Which terms are common here?
A bar, B bar. A bar, B bar.
A bar, b bar. A bar, b bar presented in single term only. See here in all terms C is sorry.
AC, sir.
Wait. We are doing somewhat okay. In first two terms C is common. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So how we can simplify it by how to reduce the number of AND gates or OR gates used for this equation? Or else can we use say for the same problem can we use three variable K-map? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these cells also presented in the variable three variable K-map. Simply we can place there. So what is its value? What is its cell value in K-map? Cell 001 in the sense cell is going to be 1. What is this value? Cell value
5.
5. What is second one? It is going to be 6. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how we can represent same function in K-map? See here how we can represent same values in K-map. So now we can know how to represent the particular Boolean function on K-map. So from tomorrow's session we can see how to simplify the entire Boolean equation using K-map. Now we can see here how to represent given Boolean function.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is 3 variable K-map A, B, C. So what is order? A, B, C. That is in the sense we need to take here A. So what is the range of A?
0
A will be 0
or 1.
or else A will be 1. Again, what are the other remaining variables? B, C. So what is the B combinations? B will be 0 and C will be 0. And B will be 0 and C will be 1.
1, 1,
Or
0.
B will be 1 and sorry, both are 1s. And
1,
here it is, here it is 1, 0. So this is what K-map for 3 variable. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
1, 0 we should not select here. And see here, what is the cell values? Here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3. Here
Yes,
it is
sir.
3. And here it is 5. Here it is 5, 4, 5,
7,
after 6, and
Seven.
here 7 because of adjacent property. So how many values are going to be high? Here it is 6 also activated. Here it is
1.
5 is also activated. What is that we can represent with another color. See here. Here it is 1 and
Yeah.
here it is 1. And what is the other?
1, sir.
1 we got this one. Okay.
1.
Yeah. From this, yeah, clearly. So here, enter in this equation, what is the value of A?
0.
A is changing from 0 to 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of B and value of C?
0, 1.
0, 1. So 0, 1 in the sense instead of 0, that is in the sense B, instead of 0 we can take B bar, and C is nothing but C. Okay. In these two cells, what is the value? BC value. BC value is in these two cells. BC value is always 0, 1. But A is changing from 0 to 1. Clear all of you? But which one is constant? 0, 1 is constant. That is B bar C is constant in these two equations.
Yes, sir.
In these two cells, which one is combination? B bar C is common, but A is changing from 0 to 1. So that is the reason if you combine these two cells, so what we are getting logic is that is going to be B bar C only, but we can easily neglect A. Clear? Okay. After which cell is remaining?
5.
Here this cell is remaining only. This is the output active high. All active high are represented with the help of 1, and we can choose common cells. In this common cells, A is not common. A is 0 and A is 1. So we can neglect A. These two, B bar C is common. So here C, here A is 1. Here, if you moving to here, A is common 1. And what is BC values?
B, C bar.
Yeah. So that is in the sense there is no way of here there is no 1. So no need to consider this one. Clear all of you? So that is the reason here also we need to consider A, and other two values are B, C bar. B, C bar. This is the simplified version. So we got the benefit of K-map. So simply 1 OR gate and 2 AND gates are enough. This is the advantage of K-map. Okay. So both equations are same. What is that equation? In what we have seen there, this equation: A bar B bar C, A B bar C. Here we need to use 3 AND gates with 3 input terminals and 2 OR gates.
gates.
So totally 5 gates we need to use.
Yes, sir.
But here we no need to use like that. Okay, I think everyone got the advantages of K-map.
Yes, sir.
So if you simplify this one also, we can get same equation only. Shall we try? Or else we can see on tomorrow.
Yes, sir. I can.
Hello?
As a simple one, we can see.
Okay. See here, in this two equations, what is say, a bar b bar c here a b bar c. So b bar c is common. So we can separate b bar c. After separating b bar c, what we are getting? A plus a bar. A plus a bar we got. So what is the value of a plus a bar? A plus a bar is always going to be 1. Okay. So by removing these two equations, what we are getting? B bar c. Clear all of you? So first two terms are reduced and we got b bar c after simplifying. But in K-map, what we have seen? Without making any simplification, we are getting final form.
Yes, sir.
This is the form with after simplifying. This is the form we got. So that is the advantages of K-map. Without making any simplification, we will get the final logic. So this is the final logic combination. So this is not final. See here. This is not final combination based on its truth table. So still we have simplified the combination form, that is nothing but b bar c plus ab c bar.
Okay,
I think
sir.
hope everyone got the main advantages of K-map. Clear all of you?
Yes.
So what we are doing in K-map is first of all we are going to see which min terms are going to be output high, or else for which combination is going to be output is going to be 1. For all that combinations we are placing 1. So after that we can combining the adjacent cells. So here these two are adjacent cells, we are making into one group. After one group we can see what in both groups which term is common. So here which term is common? B bar c term is common. A is changing from 0 to 1. That is in the sense a plus. So from there what we are seeing is a plus a bar is going to be become, it is going to be 1. So here it is multiplying with 1. That is in the sense 1 is nothing but a plus a bar. So that term is going to be nullified. That is the logic behind the K-map. Now everyone got the logic of beauty of K-map. Is that clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we can see next session. Now we can see K-map using four variables. There, if you try to simplify the logic in K-map, so we are getting final combination only. That is the simplest logic or simplest relation between input to output using K-maps. Clear all of you?
Okay, sir.
So this is what Boolean simplification. We can wait. Mafa sir will come to the discussion and.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Oh.